Gatherings of any size of people between the ages of 18 and 22 years old now banned in Boulder County.
The order just went into effect about an hour ago and will remain in place for the next 2 weeks. Gatherings are banned everywhere, both indoors and out, as the county tries to curb the spike in COVID-19 cases. Good evening, and thanks so much for joining us for Denver 7 at 5. I'm Ann Trujillo.
And I'm Shannon Ogden. Let's get right to Denver 7's Jason Grenauer in Boulder.
And Jason, a lot of people are wondering how this will be enforced and what the consequences would be.
Exactly, and those consequences could be in effect for, again, all people 18 to 22 here in Boulder County. We're not just talking about students here on campus, though they make up the largest segment of that population here in Boulder County. It's also students off campus. So not only is this public health order specifically targeted at age, but also at addresses.
Cases, we see the numbers, they keep going up and up and up, so something has to change.
And something major is changing. As of right now, any group gatherings of any size here in Boulder, indoors or out, are in violation of a public health order.
Just a little sad about it. I mean, I was excited to go meet people this year.
We already live together, but we're not allowed to go to the store together. I think that's
The new rules are for 18 to 22-year-olds because 18 to 22-year-olds are the two spiking lines on the county's COVID-19 cases chart. CU Boulder officials say they're on board.
I believe that we'll see a significant change in the number of infectious cases based upon this order.
Other universities have used this pause strategy quite successfully, and we have every reason to believe that this will be successful as well.
That health order also institutes a stay-at-home order for 36 properties in Boulder, including many sorority and fraternity houses on the Hill, banning anyone from leaving or visiting for 14 days. The county says those properties have violated prior health orders or had COVID-19 outbreaks.
Yeah, it's not fair. Either get everyone or get no one, so.
This student lives at one of those properties.
I think it's impossible to enforce, and also if you're going to do a stay-at-home mandate, it can't just be a certain segment of kids.
When it comes to enforcement, county officials say University and Boulder police will be stepping up their efforts. Violations can carry a fine of up to $5,000 and up to 18 months in jail. Now, also today, Governor Jared Polis putting out a statement in regards to this health order, saying that the sooner that young people can avoid gatherings, the sooner they can go back to things like in-person learning and regular activities. He called this urgent action to try to help stop the spread of the virus here in this community. Reporting live tonight in Boulder, I'm Jason Grenauer, Denver 7.
Jason, thanks. And there is some good news coming from CU today, depending on how you look at it. So yesterday, the school reported the lowest positive case count in the past 20 days. And that could be due to the recent quarantine that went into effect or the crackdown on parties. But also, the school screened fewer than 900 students yesterday. That's the smallest amount this month. Also, all students began 2 weeks of remote learning yesterday as well.